I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over how to add parts to an order. Parts are the individual pieces that make up the job. The die, the base, the vase, the foundation. Get them right, and your pricing, your work orders, and your shop paperwork all fall into place. Start on your orders list and click the order you're working on. Everything about that job lives behind this one row. The order opens up with its own set of tabs down the right-hand side. The one you want is parts. A brand new order has no parts on it yet. Click Add Part to open up the form. First, you tell it what kind of piece this is. The list here comes from your own parts library, so it's whatever your shop actually builds. We're adding a granite die, so pick granite. The form fills out with the fields that matter for a stone part. Next is the color. These are the granites you've set up in your own settings, with your own pricing behind them. We'll go with Dakota Mahogany on this one. Now the dimensions, and MonuCore ask for them the same way you'd call them out in the shop. Left to right is the length. This die is 36 inches. Front to back is the thickness, 6 inches. And top to bottom is the height, 24 inches. Those three numbers are what the pricing engine works off of, so it's worth getting them right the first time. Finish, shape, and item are optional. Fill them in when they matter for the job and leave them alone when they don't. The label is what your crew sees on the work order. Call it what you'd call it out loud: die, base, seat, cap. Hit Add Part and it's on the order. There it is. Repeat that for the base, the foundation, the vase, and anything else the job calls for, and the whole monument is built out piece by piece. That's all there is to it. Add a part for every piece the job needs, and MonuCore carries those dimensions straight through to your quote, your work order, and the shop floor.